guys, welcome back to another video. Unfortunately, I am mic banned, so yeah, today's video is gonna be like Revolver only. I don't even have it equipped. That is sad, bro. Revolver, pretty good Revolver. Yeah, please like and subscribe. Almost at 50 subscribers, and yeah, see you in the first game. We got our first match right here against a Silverback. He hopped on, by the way. So.
Round starting. Round starting.
Is he just gonna do that? So low, by the way.
Round starting.
Bullets. This pistol is saving his life.
Starting. Round starting. One to this gun, bro. And he missed the sniper, bro. This is my last match. I had to do 2v2s because people were just scared of me, so. Holy double, bro!
I didn't hit him anything.
Teammate asked you off here.
I'm genuinely
Teammate said, why are you struggling? How are you struggling?
I'm sorry. I failed.
How's this dude struggling to get up a wall, bro? Why did you do this, bro? You can just do this, bro. Teammate, she's so.
Round starting.
Holy double, bro. I said, teammate, come with me. What is he doing, bro? I say, come with me. He just does his own thing, bro. I can't help him no more. I just can't help this dude no more.
You're such a
This is D, bro.
Round starting.
He said you're such a beautiful. 85, 45. Thank you. Teammate actually has sense. Oh yeah. You saw me go back, so why would you push him? Holy crap.
I hit him 6.
Round starting.
What the frick? This guy is
Teammate, if you, yo, teammate.
Genuinely. I swear this guy has aimbot. He's using freaking aiming for. Oh my god. I swear you have aimbot, bro. Do you have aimbot? Tell me the truth. Are you?
Alright, that's the end. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and yeah,